What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over this Dogecoin video. So yes, we're going to be going over the technical analysis and some other things with Dogecoin, some news going on inside the crypto market. We got a lot of stuff for today. So yeah, please hit that like button and subscribe because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys want me to go over next, because I have sticky notes on top of sticky notes full of different cryptos to go over. So definitely let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And also check out, my Instagram, my Twitter, and I got other things inside the links in the description, such as Spotify, my beats. If you want to check out the BeatStars page, definitely check out all that stuff. But yeah, let's get straight to this video. So the first thing we want to do is go over the technical analysis here with Dogecoin. As you can see, Dogecoin is trying to break this support line right here right now, is trying to break under it. So hopefully we don't, but what it's seeming like right now is Dogecoin may go under the support line, but hopefully we don't, because we are above it right now. So we still have the potential to get back up to our resistance at 26.52, but other people don't think that way. So we're going to go over other people's technical analysis. I'm hoping that it gets up to 26.50, but we don't live off of hope inside of this life. We live off the facts, and the facts are the facts. So we're going to go over the technical analysis very briefly and see what exactly we have going on inside Dogecoin. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. So let's go over what we have going on in Dogecoin. So let's hit up this FX Street article. Now, Dogecoin price to retest of 18 cents before Doge drops lower. So yes, they're saying Doge is going to test the 18-cent support line before it drops lower. So they're saying it may even drop lower than 18 cents. So the 18-cent support line was way down here. So it's this line right here. And then after that, I don't even have a Fibonacci retracement level for that. So I would have to continue to do it. But from my previous technical analysis way back in the day, the next support line after that 18-cent support line will be 16 cents. So if we do break 18-cent support, then we're going to go down to 16 cents, because that was our previous support and that was major support. So below 16 cents, I don't believe that we'll go below that. But if we do, I will be very happy, because I'll be buying up Dogecoin like it's candy. So I don't really care if it goes up or down right now. Like, I'm a long-term holder. If it goes down, I'm buying. If it goes up, I'm buying. So that's kind of how I look at things. I do the stock market the same exact way. I'm always buying into the S&P 500. I'm always buying into those. And I'm inside of some dividend stocks too as well. Shout out to SPHD, low volatility, high dividend stock. So there's a lot of different things that I'm inside of. So yeah, let me know what you guys want me to go over next. I could go over some stocks too if you want me to go over that, because I have some stocks in my portfolio. So anyways, let's keep going over this technical analysis. So the first thing is first. So Dogecoin weekly chart shows a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, hidden bearish divergence between two crucial oscillators. So corrective wave and Elliott wave theory point to lower prices. So they're talking that technical analysis slang. So let's go over this. So Dogecoin price action is posed for a likely drop over the weekend, while there remain a couple of days left in the trading week. For cryptocurrencies, the current weekly candlestick is a very bullish engulfing candlestick. Not only is it a bearish bearish, not bullish. Not only is it a bearish engulfing candlestick, but the present close on the weekly chart puts the Doge's price below the weekly Tenkan Sen. So what I want to talk about this is, yes, they're saying that Dogecoin is about to go down. They're saying that we're in bearish territory, but let's be honest, everything is in bearish territory. It's not just Dogecoin. Like, look at it. I mean, yes, Cardano just shot up 11%. Yes, Solana shot up 8%. They're unicorns, complete unicorns. But everything else is really struggling to just break even here. Like Bitcoin down 0.32%. Ethereum only up 0.50%. And inside the last 7 days, they're all down. So everything's struggling to stay up. Everything's struggling to break even. It's not just Dogecoin that's going down. Everything is going down, 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 down. So Binance Coin is down the same amount of Dogecoin inside the last 7 days. So everything inside the crypto market is taking an L. When they say Dogecoin is bearish, they're saying the crypto market is bearish, not just Dogecoin. So I just wanted to clear that up. Now, Dogecoin bears will test 18.5 as support. So they're going to test the 18.5 support line, and that's what I mentioned down here. 18.5 is right about down here. I put it at 18, but they say 18.5 support. So I guess 18.5 support could be that good support line. 18.5 is like around here. So I'm like one little ticker down below it. But anyways, let's keep moving on this. So the nearest support level for Dogecoin is at the 18.5 value area. So below 18 cents is the 100% Fibonacci expansion at 12 cents. Wow. So they're expecting it to maybe even reach 12 cents. However, it is very likely that 12 cents may not hold as an area of solid support. If you look at the volume profile, there is a massive volume through trial between 16 cents and 8 cents. Wow, almost nothing has traded in that price range. So they're saying almost nothing has traded between 8 cents and 16 cents. Assuming that the all-time high for Doge is the end of a grand supercycle in Elliott wave theory, then it is easy to project where the first ABC corrective wave will likely end. Knowing that wave 2 is typically 50%, 61.8%, and 76.8 or 76.4% or 85.4% of wave 1, the next support zone is well below the 12-cent level, they're saying. Wow. So they're saying that the next support is going to be below 12.5. So that's low. So the likely endpoint for wave C is in the value area between 5 cents and 6 cents. Wow. That is a good buy. I mean, it's a good purchase level. So anyways, contained within the value area is the 50% Fibonacci retracement and the 161.8% Fibonacci extension and the Senko span A, Senko span B. See, I don't go this deep with the technical analysis, and they do. That's why I say another financial advisor, another financial advisor. I'm gonna go over what they're going over. So, anyways, and the 2021 VPOC. So I just go over the Fibonacci retracements, anyways, and the trend lines also. So also, in addition, the hidden bearish divergence between the relative strength index and the composite index points to a very high probability of Dogecoin price reaching 6 cents. So they're saying is a very high probability that Dogecoin reaches 6 cents. Bears should not be overconfident, though. So they're saying, so you should not be overconfident that it hits 6 cents, they're saying. So they're saying it might hit 6 cents, but don't be too confident about it. Doge price could find support at the 12 cents range. Additionally, the bearish scenario will be invalidated if Dogecoin bulls can push price to a close above the weekly Kijun Sen at 40 cents. So Doge Army, we need to get above 40 cents. We need to get above 25 cents right now. We need to continue to rise because if we do not keep pushing, then we are going to continue to drop. Now, I want to talk about this because there's a lot of FUD going on in the crypto market, not just Dogecoin. There's FUD going on in the whole crypto market. Like the whole FUD cycle is starting back. So I definitely want to talk about this. Now, another thing I want to talk about is, yes, 6 cents, that's definitely very low. I don't believe it's going to hit 6 cents, even though they do, and even though their technical analysis predicts that it'll reach 6 cents. Just think about it. I mean, you take $1,000, and then buy in Dogecoin at 6 cents, you're going to get 16,000 Dogecoin. At $1,000, or at $1 is going to be $16,000 off of your 1,000. And then you buy $10,000 worth of Dogecoin there. Now you got $166,000. So you see where I'm going with this. It's like, yeah, they're talking about Dogecoin reaching 6 cents, but if Dogecoin does reach 6 cents, good. We'll just buy even more and then we'll profit even more. If it doesn't reach 6 cents, good. We'll continue to buy more as we continue to rise. That's how I'm looking at it. Now, I don't really believe it'll reach 6 cents. That's very low, but they do. So we're gonna see about that. I mean, I'm definitely gonna be like I told you so when we don't reach 6 cents. Like the lowest I'm saying is 16, and even 16 cents is very low right now for Dogecoin. It's very low for anything to drop that much right now. Like that's almost 100% drop. Like almost. I mean, not even 100, but almost like 50% drop. That's what I mean. But anyways, let's keep moving on to our Dogecoin whales because I am noticing some patterns now that they mention that we're supposed to be bearish. Now, reason why I go over these Dogecoin whales, I like to go over large one-time orders, and I just like to go over large orders in general. There hasn't been as many large one-time orders. So the large one-time orders, you'll see the last in is the date of today, which is 9/11/2021, which is September 11th, 2021. And then the first day in is also 9/11/2021. And then the first out, there's none. And then the last out, there's none. There's not many Dogecoin whales coming in today just buying large one-time purchases like they do every single day. And they're starting to stop that. And I've been noticing that as a pattern. The same thing with yesterday. They haven't been doing it lately. Now, look, the only the first in, last ins, and no first out, last first outs. So there's none of those. So as you can see, this first in and this last in was a while ago. This first in, last in without a first out and without a last out was a very long time ago. This one, very long time ago. This one, very long time ago. We're not seeing many of them coming out for today. Actually, in fact, we're not seeing any of them coming out today. We've seen one of them yesterday, and I'm going to go over that one. And then this one was on the 5th. They actually came in the same day on the 5th with a huge purchase. As you can see here, $68 million, and that was at 31 cents. So they came in at the wrong time. But anyways, not seeing many Dogecoin whales doing these huge purchases like they used to. And then over here, we can see that this Dogecoin whale, yeah, they're doing a bunch of big purchases here and there. Not even that big, but $10,000 here, $400,000 there, $100,000 there. So they are trying to, still buying Dogecoin. But compare all that they're buying, all these small amounts, which probably will end up being somewhere around 13 million. But they sold 13.1 million on the knife, and that was actually when everything dropped. So definitely seeing a huge pattern here with these Dogecoin whales. This Dogecoin whale, this is the one that I was actually talking about. They came in yesterday with a large one-time purchase of 28.5 million. But usually we have Dogecoin whales coming in on the very day that I make the videos with $100 million, $75 million. This one happened yesterday only at 28.5 million. So I'm seeing a huge difference here. So yeah, you're definitely seeing a lot happening here. Same thing with this Dogecoin whale, 25.3 million. But yeah, the FUD cycle is starting, but before we keep going over the FUD, I want to go over something that's a little more lighthearted. So, shout out to this person, Doge Meme Girl, for doing this NFT auction with all proceeds to go to future Dogecoin development. This is much wow, as we say inside the Dogecoin community. Much wow. Over here, this person says, losing my trust in Doge, but holding. Bad news, never up in $1 Doge and lose our loss. I don't even know how this person is talking. There's just so many different spelling errors there. We're not going to do all that. Anyways, a lot of people are losing faith in Dogecoin, but not me. I'm still Dogecoin to the moon. This person is still Dogecoin to the moon. We're still all Dogecoin to the moon. We know exactly where we're going with this. But anyways, let's go on to the next thing, which is some more Dogecoin FUD. Like I said, there's a lot of FUD inside the crypto market, which is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And the same thing's going for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is not exempt from that. Everything's going through a FUD cycle. Even Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going down, 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 down. We're going to go over some Bitcoin FUD today too. So look at this. And yeah, everything just came from this flash crash. After that, everything's just going downhill from there. So we're probably going to have another, not another flash crash, but, another drop down in price, just like we did way back inside of April when all that happened from April and May. So let's go over this. So this is more Dogecoin FUD. Dogecoin 2021 through 2022 outlook. Why I don't see value. I personally see value in Dogecoin, but this person is saying that they don't. But anyways, they're saying Doge has too much inflation. 5 billion Doge issued every year with 130 billion out right now, 131 billion. If he actually did his research, he would know there's 131 billion Dogecoins and not as many as he's saying. There's more than 130 billion. There's 131 billion, as you see. He didn't do all his research. But anyways, I'm gonna stop critiquing him there. And then he says Dogecoin doesn't solve any pressing problems. This is kind of true. It doesn't solve any pressing problems, but it helps us with our memes. So anyways, Robinhood's dominance of the market. We know Robinhood has dominance of the market. Last quarter or the second quarter, they're saying Robinhood made an average $112 per user. That's a lot of money per user off of Dogecoin, by the way. Anyways, over here, lack of infrastructure. Bitcoin has institutional infrastructure. Blah, 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 blah. The end of the fiscal stimulus. They're saying the stimulus prompted people to spend their stimulus on Dogecoin, which is kind of true. I spent my stimulus on Dogecoin, not going to lie, but I made a lot of profit from that. Took $1,500, put it in a Dogecoin straight from the stimulus, made like 3,000, 5,000. I don't even know how much I made because I made so much off of it. But anyways, don't have that money anymore. Spent it, but still, let's move on from this Dogecoin FUD though. Too much fear, uncertainty, doubt in the market. Let's talk more about Bitcoin and crypto FUD in general, because this is becoming more prominent inside the crypto market. So, serious Bitcoin collapse alert issued after $300 billion crypto price crash since Ethereum, Cardano, blah blah blah, everything down. So they're just talking about the flash crash. So this is becoming a huge thing. This whole FUD thing for the whole flash crash is becoming huge. Now, look over here. The Bitcoin price has lost around 10% over the past week, with Ethereum and all these other cryptos going down, 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 down. Even as the country of El Salvador formally adopted Bitcoin as legal tender and banking giant standard, Chartered predicted the Bitcoin and Ethereum price could be about to explode. So, yes, they could explode, but these people are still spreading FUD about it as we go throughout this video. Now, more FUD over here. Some early crypto enthusiasts have bailed on the sector, saying the movement has bought into hype without understanding the technology's limit. So, more FUD here. So, yeah, this is all I got for you guys today. Just letting you guys know there's a lot of FUD in the crypto market, a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt going on. So, with FUD comes a drop in price because this scares people. Even me making this video, and then people be like, oh my gosh, there's FUD in the market. And then people start to sell. People start to sell. So, that's why I'm coming out with this, because I'm still bullish on Dogecoin in the long term. And I definitely believe Dogecoin is going to rise. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of financial advice. I do believe Dogecoin has huge potential, though. I believe the whole crypto market has potential. But obviously, other people like to spread FUD. And they spread this FUD because they want to see the price drops. They want to see Dogecoin hit 6 cents. So then they can come in with $100 million. Think about this. Let's really think about this. Look. So the average institutional investor is investing $100 million per crypto project. That's just the type of money that they're playing with. They're playing with big boy money. So just think about this. If they make the price drop to 6 cents and they're buying at 6 cents, they have 1.66 billion Dogecoins. Or 1.66 billion Dogecoins. Now imagine them at $1. $1.66 billion made off 100 million. That's why they want Dogecoin to go down, because they know the potential. But I'm here to tell you all right now, this right here, we could all do the same type of stuff, but just at a smaller scale. Imagine you putting $10,000 into Dogecoin and getting $166,000 out of it. Like, look, you can put $10,000 in there and get $166,000 out of Dogecoin. Like, if it drops down to 6 cents. So if it drops down to 6 cents, that's a huge buying opportunity. I'll be showing my personal purchases when this happens too, because if this happens, I'm going to be buying lots of Dogecoin. I might even take out a personal loan of $10,000 and buy a bunch of Dogecoin. So anyways, this is all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. But if you do like this video, though, please hit the like button and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And also check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webullandpublic.com, and check out some of my personal stuff too, like my Instagram, my Twitter, my BeatStars page. You can check out some beats on there, and maybe check out my 2 Spotify accounts. So definitely check those out, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.